Mastering English phrases. Understanding fence in. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an interesting phrase to explore. Fence in. We'll be diving deep into its meanings and uses, so by the end of this video, you'll feel confident using this phrase in your everyday conversations. Stay tuned. First things first, let's look at the literal meaning of fence in. When we talk about a fence, we're referring to a barrier, usually made of wood, metal, or another material, that surrounds an area to mark a boundary or keep animals or people inside or outside. So, to fence in, something means to enclose or surround it with a fence. For example, you might hear someone say, "We decided to fence in our backyard to keep our dog from running away." Here, fence in is used in its most direct and literal sense. Now, let's move on to the figurative use of fence in. In a metaphorical sense, this phrase can describe a situation where someone feels restricted or confined, not physically, but in terms of their options, freedom, or ability to make decisions. For instance, you might say, "I feel fenced in at my job. There's no room for creativity or growth." In this example, fenced in describes a feeling of being limited or trapped by the circumstances. Let's go through some examples to see how fence in can be used in sentences. 1. Literal. They decided to fence in the garden to protect it from deer. 2. Figurative. Living in a small town can sometimes feel a bit fenced in. By looking at these examples, you can see how fence in can be versatile in its application, effectively describing both physical and emotional states of confinement. And there you have it, folks. We've covered the literal and figurative meanings of fence in, and I hope this video helps clarify how you can use this phrase in different contexts. Remember, learning English is a journey, and you're doing great. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't hesitate to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need further examples. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.